I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. There are certain spots in a car that a vacuum just doesn't reach, you know what I mean? Air vents, cup holders, seams, all those little cracks that collect dust and crumbs. Using it is really straightforward. You just press the putty into the area you're cleaning and lift it back up slowly. It molds into the tight spaces and it's going to pull out that dirt and dust without pushing it deeper. So far I've used this in the air vents, around the buttons, and then grabbed way more dust than what I was expecting. It kind of just like adheres to it and it sucks it up. What I like is that it's tacky but not sticky, and it doesn't leave a residue behind, it doesn't smear, and it doesn't stick to your hands. It has a light scent that isn't overpowering. I mean, I couldn't even really tell about it, which is nice when you're working outside in a car. I've also used it on the center console here, the door pockets, and even between the seat seams. It's one of those tools that makes detailing feel quicker because you're not switching between brushes and wipes and having to clean anything up. It's literally just putty up and down. Another bonus is that it works beyond the car. You can use it on a keyboard, and you can get a surprising amount of dust out from between the keys. Overall, this is one of those simple detailing tools that actually does what it's supposed to do. It's easy to use, reusable, and really helpful for those hard to clean areas.